Hi yogis, welcome back to Yoga Postures Fundamentals with Sevi. In this tutorial, we're going to practice frog pose. It's a deep hip opener that requires strength in your abdominals, in your lower back, and your groin. Begin in butterfly posture. Connect the soles of your heels together. Make sure that the distance between your heels and your groin doesn't exceed 15 inches. Avoid pain in your knee at all times. Make sure you feel some stretch but no pain. Alright, now grab the other edges of your feet with both hands. On your inhale, elongate your spine by pushing your chest forward and up. Pressing the soles of your heels down, lift your chest up and hold here. Bring your elbows down, pressing them against your shins. Lengthen your spine on each inhale. Right. Eventually, you're going to bring your elbows down to the ground. Maybe place your arms under your feet to pull your chest forward and add some wiggling up and down. Eventually, you're going to bring your head down if possible. Slowly come up. The next stretch is circles. Draw big circles with your chest. On your inhale, you're going to lean forward. On your exhale, back. Draw big circles, take your time, follow your pace, and try to link your breath to movements. On your inhale, draw your chest forward. On your exhale, run your back. And switch direction when you're ready. Inhale, chest forward, exhale, back. Good. All right, now I like to counter my posture, so I'm gonna bring my knees together. Shake my knees. If you have tight knees, keep your legs straight. For more advanced practitioners, draw your knees together. Walk your palms back. Lift your chest. And hold here for a few breaths. Maybe drop your head down. Eventually, you're gonna walk your elbows back to rest in stillness. Drop your head down. Pull your chest up. Slowly come up. When you're done, reverse plank. You're going to press your palms right underneath your shoulder bones. Try to keep your feet as wide as your hips. Same with your hands. Inhale, lift up. Stretch your legs forward, heels down, chest up. Hold here. Up and drop your head down. Keep pulling your chest up. Keep lifting your chest, your hips up. It's a very intense arm balance for beginners, so maybe take half lift or full lift. Slowly release. Now that you feel warm in your core, you're ready for your frog pose. You're gonna bring your knees to the ground. Spread your knees as wide as your groin allows you. Heels slightly closer than your knees. Feet are flexed. Walk your hands back and hold here for a few breaths. If this is too intense, feel free to walk your hands away from your groin. Just hang out here for a few breaths. Add some wiggling if you feel intense in your hips. I like to add some circles to open up my hips. Take your time to draw your circles. Right and left. And left and right. Do some side stretches, or maybe twists. Walk your hands to your right. Walk your hands to your left. Maybe stretch your arms forward on your elbows or on your chest or your chin. Keep in mind that the depth of your stretch will change with each breath and each movement. So it means that you won't be here forever. All throughout the practice, you'll be able to open up in your hips. Half an inch or 1 inch. Just be sure to stay present and pay attention to subtle progress. Slowly come up when you're ready to release. If you like to deepen your stretch, lift your chest, look up, grab your shins or your knees with your hands or your heels to add some back bend. Maybe stretch to your right to add some twist to your frog and to your left. Lift your arms up. Lean backwards a few inches. Slowly release. Draw your knees together to counter your frog. Lift your chest and come to fish pose. Take a moment to reset. To end your practice, make sure to take a moment to meditate, to integrate all that experience you had in your body on your mat, and approach your practice with more fun and playfulness and open mind. That allows you to be more consistent in your practice and find more peace and joy. If you have questions, comments, please comment below. I hope to see you next time on your mat. Namaste.